All right, so what are we doing today?
Well, today we're going to just make a plain cut on this piece of plywood that we're using for a tabletop of a little train station.
Okay.
So we don't really need a very critically straight edge, but I wanted to use this new tool that my son gave me for Christmas.
All right, and what is that one called?
It's just a clamp, basically a saw guide. In fact, let me see what it's called right here. It's called a clamp and cut edge guide. Which
can you turn that for the viewers to see?
Can see right there.
Okay, gotcha.
And that was part of my Christmas gifts, along with a couple of other miscellaneous items that are always very useful.
All right. So how does this work?
So you have a adjustable clamp on this side.
Okay.
Bring it back and forth, and once you get it snug, then you just tighten down with this clamp right here.
All right.
Okay.
I see.
It. So we're going to.
And let me just ask a question. So you've already made the line.
Yes. So I already measured. This is the line. I could cut it with a handsaw by hand without the guide, and get it fairly straight. And it's not that critical that it'd be
right
completely square or straight.
But if somebody had to be that critical,
yeah, sometimes you definitely need a very square finish.
Right.
And this is the ideal way to do it with a typical handheld saw, skilled saw. Right.
So normally, if you don't have like a table saw, this is a good way to get that.
Right. Providing that in this case 48 inches is the maximum for this clamp.
Okay.
And this is one easy way to get a very nice straight finish cut.
Okay. Perfect.
So we're going to take this clamp. I'm going to adjust it for the width. Bring it down in here, as you can see, and then kind of snug it up. Still not quite completely snug. I'm going to set my saw in place right about where I need it. I'm going to bring my clamp. Okay. And so as you can see, it's pretty close to the line. That's where I'll be cutting. And then I'm going to tighten on the other side.
Now, how do you make sure it's straight on the other side?
So I'm going to take a ruler right here and just take a quick measurement. And roughly, yeah, it's pretty close there. So as you can see, we're pretty close to about 4 inches.
Okay.
And I'm going to do the same thing on the other end.
So on this side, then, that means we need to go, it's not quite straight, right?
It's not quite squared away. So there it is. We're about the same now on both sides. I'm going to double check again.
All right.
And we're pretty much there. So we're going to go ahead and clamp down. My son's going to give me a hand over there. He's going to just clamp down on it. Boom, voila, there it is. Nice and snug. I'll check it again. I'm going to put my saw down. The blade. It's actually a little short, so I do need to make this adjustment again. So he's going to loosen it up. And it's really that one salon line we talked about.
So it's about got you.
So let me right there, that one notch, basically one eighth of an inch.
Okay.
And he's going to take it over here on the other side. Give me an eighth of an inch.
Yeah, we need to move this down slightly.
Okay.
Wait, nope, sorry. I was moving it the wrong way.
Yeah. And then he'll clamp down on it.
Okay, gotcha.
And you can clamp down on it. We're good to go.
All right.
So we're going to fire the hole, put our safety glasses on.
Safety glasses.
And we are ready to go. Rock and roll.
And there you have it. A very nice, clean, straight edge without the cost of a table saw.